Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Really easy graphic, and there's a lot more you can do with this if you wanted to. I'm going to take an ellipse, and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center page. I'm going to make it 12 inches. I'm going to Control D and make another ellipse and make it 8 inches. I am going to select both of them, and I'm going to hit B to put it in the bottom. I'm going to Shift select, or I'm going to Control D that one, and then Shift select this one and go T for top. And then we have these 3 circles. Take your virtual segment delete key and delete that side, and there's what you have. Now, I would strongly suggest you group that together. And remember, we're working in the center of the page. I'm going to use a different color this time. And you only have to fill in one, and then we're going to rotate it around. So I'm going to make that color. I'm going to go to Interactive Fill Tool, and I'm going to put black in that corner. And see, I got a little bit of black there. I can take this handle and basically take the black away from that part. And like I said, you could do a lot with it. Now, because the lines are grouped together, I can delete them just so they won't be in the way later. I'm going to Control D that. I'm going to alternate C to have it rotate from the center. And I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees. And there's your 3D looking twisted spear. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.